Staff at the sports center are not available between 3 and 4 p.m. Candidates should select one position only from each topic area. All new students have to be registered with Mr. Clark by the end of Friday. Provided all equipment has been collected and storage student might leave the classroom. What types of company do the majority of the students work in after finishing their degree? Despite some initially misgiving, the new laboratory has proved itself to an excellent facility. Environments agree that the continued or private vehicle will result in the worse air pollution. Over 400 people visit our library last month.